For this lesson, I have some raw umber, some burnt umber, ultramarine blue, and some titanium white, and I have the fluid version, but you can use heavy body if you prefer. I just like the fluid version because it kind of spreads around a little faster. I just have a large filbert brush. You can use a large background brush. I'm going to take some of this white and some of my burnt umber and raw umber and a little blue. You can see just kind of a mishmash of color. And I'm just going to start by blocking in just a little more white down the bottom here. I'm going to go into some of my blue, some raw umber. Down here I'm just going to block in. Alright, next I'm going to take a flat brush and some of my lighter color. And what I'm going to do is basically cut out a tree shape here. And we'll kind of connect these up a little bit. Just do some random kind of brush strokes to create the sense of foliage. Kind of block in some more tree shapes in the distance, so a little, maybe a skinnier tree here. Water. And my raw umber. So just raw umber. And I'm going to paint in just an area for the foreground. Just start creating a great big foreground tree. So I'm going to take a flat brush and my raw umber. So we're just going to start out just using raw umber. I'm going to go right in the middle, and we're going to do, like I said, a really big tree with like some big roots coming off. I'm going to continue the tree up through here. I'm going to make this branch pretty thick. So I'm just trying to get some unique shapes in there. Alright, so eventually I'll add in some smaller branches coming off those, and then we'll add in some foliage. I'm just going to go along the bottom here, and I'm going to make this rock bigger. I'm going to start putting in a little bit of bark, so I'm going to do some vertical brush strokes, just kind of overlapping up and down. Then tap back into the paint, keeping it rather thick, and then blocking in some more. So what I want to do here, I'm going to go slowly, and I want to just leave some open gaps so you can see through to the background. And over here I'm just going to go pretty full. I'm just going to sit back, take a look here. I might add in a little bit more down here. We'll go a little bit darker, so more burnt umber. And I'm going to do some of those vertical brush strokes along that area I highlighted earlier. Flat brush now, my raw umber, a little white. Just going to put a little bit of a highlight here on this rock. So I'll go a little bit lighter there, and then darker, so it curves over. Maybe go just a little bit lighter, so a little bit more yellow over here on the left. So that completes our painting lesson. If you have any questions, you can email me at tim@timgagnon.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.